This is 11th lecture on trigonometric functions for class 11th. In this lecture, we will learn about relation between sides and angles of a triangle, sine formula and cosine formula.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे रिलेशन बिटवीन साइड्स एंड एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, दैट इज लॉ ऑफ साइंस एंड लॉ ऑफ कोसाइंस. सो फर्स्ट इज लॉ ऑफ साइंस, और commonly it is known as sine formula. Sine formula. What sine formula states? In any triangle, the length of the sides of a triangle is proportional to the angles opposite to the sides. In any triangle, the length of the sides of a triangle is proportional to, not equal to, is proportional to the angles opposite to the side. That is, A sin A is equal to B sin B is equal to C sin C. In any triangle. Any triangle. Triangle may be acute, obtuse, or right angle. We know on the basis of angles, the triangle is of three types. Triangles are of three types. What are the types of triangle? That is acute angle triangle first, obtuse angle triangle second, and right angle triangle. So first we will take all three cases. First is acute angle triangle. A triangle whose all three angles are less than 90. Second case, obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangles. That is A, B, C. And third, right angle triangle. A triangle whose one angle is 90. So we have to prove this sine formula for any triangle, that may be acute angle, that may be obtuse angle, and this is first acute and this is second obtuse and third is right angle. So to prove this sine formula, हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है. क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है? Draw AD perpendicular BC. Let the lengths of the sides are ABC. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Similarly, this is A, this is B, this is C. And what is the constructions we are doing here? AD perpendicular BC drawn and BC extended if required. अगर जरूरत है तो BC को extend करना है. Similarly, this is A, this is B, this is C. And here again AD is perpendicular to BC. That means C and D points are same. So proof of this sine formula or law of sines, that is the lengths of the sides of triangles are proportional to the angles opposite to the sides. So first case, in figure 1 जी हमारा एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल जो केस है उसमें AD अपॉन AC. What is AD upon AC? AD is the perpendicular, AC is the hypotenuse. So what is AD upon AC? That is equal to sine, and this angle we are going to consider, so it is sine C. This implies AD is equal to AC sine C. So this implies AD is equal to B sine C. B sine C for this. B sine C. Also, now this triangle ADB, AD upon AB is equal to sine of, again, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So what is perpendicular upon hypotenuse? That is sine, trigonometric ratio, but angle is B. So sine of B. This implies AD is equal to AB sine B. So this implies AD is equal to C sine B. That is 2. But we have to see this for all three cases. That is, what are the three cases? Case of acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. So, second case, that is in figure, this one, this figure, again, this is 90 degree, this is D. So, what is AD upon AC? This is equal to sine of AD. Now see from here, if this angle is C, what is this angle? This will be 180 minus C. 180 minus C. ये देखिए एक लीनियर एंगल है, ये 180 का होता है स्ट्रेट एंगल, तो इतना एंगल C है, दिस एंगल इज C, obviously it is 180 minus C. So this is sine 180 minus C. So this implies AD is equal to AC sine 180 minus theta, that is sine theta. So sine C, and obviously 180 minus any angle will lie in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant sine is positive. So because of this, it is AD is equal to AC sine C. What is the value of AC? Length of AC is B. So AD is equal to B sine C. Again, equation 1. Second case में also AD whole triangle ADB, AD upon AD is equal to, what is this angle? This is angle B. So obviously it will be sine B. This is sine B. So this implies AD is equal to AB sine B. Similarly, see from here, how much is the length of AB? That is equal to C. C sine B. So this is equation number 2. Now, this is second case. Similarly, we can see it for third case. Third case, in figure third, figure number 3, again, what is AD upon AC? AD upon AC. AD upon AC. This is equal to 1, and this implies AD is equal to AC. Why? because AD is equal to AC. Therefore, AD is equal to AC sine of 90 degree. Because sine 90 is 1, so we can write it as AC sine 90. This is 90 degree. So what is the value of AC? That is B, and angle is C. Because angle C is 90 degree. So again, it is equation 1. Also, AD upon AB. AD upon AB is equal to, what is this? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is equal to what? Sine of B. This angle now we are going to consider. So this is sine of B. So this implies AD is equal to AB sine of B. So this implies AD is equal to, what is the value of AB? C sine B. This is equation number 2. So we have seen for all three cases that AD is equal to either B sine C or AD is equal to C sine B. Now, in all three cases, from equation 1 and 2, what you will get? AD is equal to AD. See, AD is equal to AD. So, B sine C is equal to C sine B. So, this implies, now we can make cross multiplication. B over sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Similarly, if you will draw the perpendicular from this vertex, C से हर जो हमारा ट्रायंगल है उसको दूसरे वर्टेक्स से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करते हैं, तो सेकंड केस आ जाएगा सिमिलरली C upon sin C is equal to A upon sin A. Therefore, A upon sin A is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C. This is sine formula. So we have proved law of sines or sine formula. What that indicate? In any triangle may be of any type. In any triangle, the lengths of the sides are proportional to the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, what corresponding? Corresponding means not corresponding but opposite angles to the sides. A के opposite कौन सा है? Angle A. B के opposite कौन सा है? Angle B. C के opposite कौन सा है? Angle C. AC के opposite. So opposite lengths of the sides of a triangle are proportional to the angles opposite to the sides. Now next is law of cosines. अब हम करेंगे law of cosines और cosine formula. Law of cosine. Law of cosines or cosine formula. What is cosine formula? It states that in any triangle, cos of C, in any triangle, cos of C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Cos of A, cosine of angle A, where ABC is any triangle, A, B, C, and A, B, C are lengths of the sides of triangle. Small a, B, C, we have assumed that these are the lengths of the sides of triangle, and caps lock A, B, C are the angles. So cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, and cos B is equal to C square cyclic ABC, C square plus A square minus B square by 2BC. 2CA. This is 2CA. This is law of cosines or cosine formula. Now, in any triangle means we have to take again three cases. That is, first is acute angle triangle. Second is obtuse angle triangle. A, B, C. This triangle is obtuse angle triangle. That means one angle of this triangle is more than 90. Obtuse means more than 90. And third is right angle triangle. One angle is 90. So this is A, B, C. Now, again, for proof, we will take three cases. That is acute angle triangle. Second one is obtuse angle triangle, and third one is right angled triangle. Means this angle is 90 degree. So we have to do the construction. क्या construction करोगे? AD जैसा हमने साइन फॉर्मूला में देखा था, AD perpendicular BC drawn and BC extended if required. अगर हमें जरूरत है, जैसे सेकेंड केस में, इन केस ऑफ ऑब्ट्यूज ट्रायंगल वी आर इन नीड टू एक्सटेंड दिस BC, तो वहां पर एक्सटेंड करेंगे, और जहां जरूरत नहीं है वहां इसको एक्सटेंड नहीं करेंगे. सो इन फर्स्ट केस that is figure 1. In first case, figure 1, what we have to do? First case we have to consider these two triangles. One is this, that is ADC, and other is ABD. This is 90, this is 90, this is 90. ये क्लियर हो गया. ये एंगल C है, तो ये एंगल कितना हो गया? 180 minus C. This side is A, this is B, this is C. Again it is A, it is B, and this side is C. Right? Now, AD upon AC. What is AD upon AC? See, this angle is C angle, and this triangle is right angle triangle. So, what will be AD upon AC? Perpendicular lump divided by current. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So, क्या होता है ये? Sine of C. So, this implies AD is equal to AC sine of C. So this implies AD is equal to, what is the value of AC? B sine of C, called as equation 1. This is equation 1. Now, BD is equal to what? Also, BD can be written as BC minus CD. So this implies BD is equal to, what is the value of BC? A minus CD can be written as CD upon AC. Why? Because see here AC, we are given with the length of this AC, इसलिए हमने CD को क्या करना है, यहां पर AC से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, AC से डिवाइड कर दिया, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. So this implies BD is equal to A minus, what is the value of AC? Value of AC is B, and what is the value of CD upon AC? Base upon hypotenuse, cos of C. This is 2. So in the first case, we have calculated the value of AD and value of BD. Similarly, in second case, in case 2 or figure second, in second case, this was the first case, और केस एक जैसा रखने के लिए सेकेंड केस, ये रोमन में हो गया था, तो हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट फर्स्ट केस, दिस इज सेकेंड केस. इन सेकेंड केस मीन्स ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल. अगेन व्हाट इज एडी? एडी अपॉन एसी. एडी अपॉन एसी इज साइन ऑफ this angle 180 minus C. So this implies what is AD? AD is equal to AC sine of C. Why? Because 180 minus और 360 minus और प्लस जब भी होता है तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो वही रहती है, बदलती नहीं कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री में. तो ये AC sin C, this implies AD is equal to, what is the value of AC again? B sin C called as 1. Also, now in second case, we have to find out the value of BD. What is BD? BD is equal to what? BD. BD can be written as BC plus CD. BD is equal to BC plus C. This implies BD is equal to BC. Value of BC is A plus CD. Again, we will multiply by AC and divide with AC. So this implies BD is equal to A plus, what is the value of AC? Value of AC is B. And what is CD upon AC? Base upon hypotenuse. In this particular triangle, see here, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So what is the angle? Angle is this one, that is 180 degree minus C. So it is cos of 180 degree minus C. So this implies BD is equal to what? A plus B cos 180 minus C. Cos ही रहेगा, 180 minus C means second quadrant, 180 से थोड़ा सा कम एंगल, ये वाला. So it is minus B cos of C. So we can write it as A minus B cos of C whole times 2. See from here, ये माइनस क्यों आया? बिकॉज देखिए यहां पर cos 180 माइनस C, 180 से थोड़ा सा कम एंगल जो है सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट होगा, और सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में कोसाइन नेगेटिव होता है एड शुगर टू कॉपी से, तो इसलिए दिस इज BD इज इक्वल टू A माइनस B cos. नाउ थर्ड केस, that is in third case. For third case, we are taking figure third. Again, third case ये है हमारा, this one, ABC or ABD, because C and D are same. C is already, AC is perpendicular on BC, and जब AD को ड्रॉ करेंगे perpendicular, वो डी और सी जो है सेम पॉइंट होगा, बिकॉज बोथ आर द परपेंडिकुलर ऑन द सेम लाइन सेगमेंट। तो इसलिए ये हमारा हो गया एडी अपॉन AC is equal to 1. This implies AD is equal to AC. Why? Because AD is equal to AC. So this implies, how we can write AD? AD can be written as AD upon AC. AC is B. And what is the value of cos 90? Cos 90. We can write it like this. Cos 90 degree. Why? Because cos 90 is equal to 0. This is cos 90. So this implies AD is equal to B minus A cos of C. See from there. AD, B sin C. We have written AD is equal to AC, so AD is equal to AC. Okay, we are going to find out the value of AD. हम AD का वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं अभी, BD का नहीं है। जब BD का वैल्यू निकालेंगे वो हमें इस फॉर्म में निकालना है, because in all three cases we have to show that the value of AD and BD remains same. So it is AD is equal to AC. How we can write it? AD is equal to AC sin of 90 degree. अभी AD का वैल्यू निकालना है, इसलिए sin, because B sin C है सभी केसेस में. So this implies AD is equal to B sin of C. Why? Because एक तो AD जो है वो AC के बराबर है एंड sin 90 का वैल्यू जो है वो 1 होता है, 1. देखिए इसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, sin 90 और 90 डिग्री किसके बराबर है? एंगल C के बराबर है. So this is AD is equal to B sin C, again 1. Also now again we will find the value of BD. What is BD? BD is equal to BC. BD is equal to BC. Now this implies BD is equal to, again, what is the value of BC? A. Now we can write it like this, because cos 90. Why? क्योंकि देखिए यहां पर B cos C all cases में आ रहा है. यहां भी अगर हम इसको B cos 90 लिखते हैं कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं. Why? Because cos 90 is equal to 0. Because cos 90 is equal to 0. So this implies, what is the value of BD? BD is equal to A minus B, and cos 90 means cos B. So cos C. In all three cases, we are getting the value of AD as B sin C and value of BD as A minus B cos C. चाहे वो एक्यूट एंगल है, चाहे वो ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल है, चाहे वो राइट एंगल है, ट्राइंगल है. इसको थोड़ा सा इरेज कर देते हैं यहां पर. In all cases, from equation 1 and 2. In all cases, from equation 1 and 2. We know what is AD square? AD square. AD square plus BD square. What is AD square plus BD square? This is equal to AB square. AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. AD square plus BD square is equal to AB square. AD square, AD plus BD square is equal to AB square. In all three triangles, we are getting the same. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. In all cases, AD square, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. From equation 1 and 2. Now substitute the value. What is the value of AB square? What is the value of AB square? That is equal to C square. C square is equal to AD. AD is B sin C. B sin C whole square plus A minus B cos of C whole square. So this implies C square is equal to B square sin square C plus A square. Now it is A minus B whole square. So what is A minus B whole square? A square plus B square minus 2AB. 2AB cos of C. So this implies C square is equal to B square common ले लिया हमने, sin square C plus cos square C plus A square minus 2AB cos of C. Now, what is the value of sin A plus sin square A plus sin cos square A? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this implies C square is equal to B square plus A square minus 2AB cos of C. So this implies transpose. Transpose these two, this term to left side. ये हमारा वहां नेगेटिव था, यहाँ पॉजिटिव हो गया. Cos of C is equal to B square plus A square minus C square. So what is the value of cos C? So this implies cos of C is equal to B square plus A square minus C square by 2. Cos C. This is first angle by cosine formula. Similarly, cos of A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC, and cos of B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square by 2C. So these are the sine and cosine formula. That is relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Thank you.